Hi, this is Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change alert sound on Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. When you try to do something that isn't allowed on your Mac, it'll respond with a loud, annoying alert sound. But don't worry, you can change the alert sound and its volume using System Preferences on your Mac. So you can open your System Preferences. Now you can go to the sound settings, click on sound. Here you can go to sound effect. Here you can choose for the sound that you want to use for your alert sound on your MacBook. Maybe for the example, I will choose this one. And also you can change the alert volume. If you can adjust the volume in here. If you don't want to make the volume too loud, you can adjust in here. You can also settings for another settings on here for your output and input sound. So it's a simple ride. So that is how to change alert sound on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.